Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Crunchyroll not working on your computer. Whether you're seeing a blank screen, buffering problems, or playback errors, Crunchyroll might stop working due to browser issues, extensions, outdated software, or internet connectivity problems. Thankfully, most of these can be fixed with a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1, check Internet and Disable AD Blocker. Make sure your internet is working by opening a different website. If the internet is fine, check your browser extensions. Click the Browser Seps Extensions or Add-ons menu. Look for any ad blockers you may have installed. Click More Actions or Settings for that ad blocker. Either disable the ad blocker completely or add Crunchyroll.com to the exclusion list. Refresh the Crunchyroll page after saving changes. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Open your browser and click the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. In the search bar, type Browsing Data. Click Clear Browsing Data. Set time range to all time. Make sure to check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Now or Clear Data. That's it. You've now learned how to fix Crunchyroll not loading properly by checking your internet, disabling ad blockers, and clearing browser cache. We hope this tutorial helped resolve your problem. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.